All right, and I'm going to New York City today, LaGuardia. This is going to be the video for that. I'm here where I live, and this building has got like the alarm system just going beep, 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 beep. Really annoying. But anyways, beautiful day today. It's been really cloudy over the last, well, I shouldn't say cloudy, but smoky over the last week or so because of all these wildfires in Canada. But today, as you see, looking at that flag, that flag is the flag I'm talking about. It's just a beautiful day. So we're gonna go and wait. We're waiting for our Uber right now. We're gonna go to the airport, and I'll show you all this. All right, here at the airport, just got dropped off by my ride, and we're gonna go in. Flying Delta today. Obviously, you see it in the title, but I haven't audibly told anybody. So I think this is the third time I've ever flown them in my life. But yeah, down here is Spirit, and over here is Delta. So I'm still waiting for my colleague to show up. I checked my one bag. I have more to check, but I want to give you a bird's eye view with these. You know, they're doing all this construction. I like updating you guys. So this is the main area where you check in, and then over on this other side we'll go to is where you get TSA parade. Oh, we won't even see it because there's just too much. It's too far away right now. But I will. That's my colleague right there. He just totally walked by me and didn't even recognize it. So I'm gonna go find him. I should surprise him. Look at security lines. Made it out.
I always gotta walk up.
Get your steps up. We're 8:49 apparently.
I'm like 8.
Okay, so our gate was actually A24. And I switched it apparently from what was on the tickets they printed out. So let's find it here just to show you. See, that's not us. Why is it? It's gotta be. That's weird that one's at a 12:40 and this was so. It's that flight right there, A24. That's our plane. It's the best shot I have of it.
You're working on Zone Case SK1.
I don't necessarily know.
I'm gonna put.
Because these spoons in the back are all
going on in there.
we won't be able to accommodate for them. Thank you.
Let's make an announcement. Yeah. That's what probably rotates, but yeah, it's all around. they came to. I don't think I've ever flown into this part of the airport because I've always flown United into here. You see they're doing a lot of construction out there maybe. It's kind of cool to tell you like how many minutes it takes to get to 60 and 69 up there. Alright. So I think I've seen this part before. I like this right here. Welcome to New York. You can get water there, you have to go all the way down. It's just a little walk. On the Carousel 4. This guy's making a video or something here. There's a picture. He's done. That was it. I find it funny that these people went with that. Oh, there's my colleague. I gotta go over here. Alright, well, hey, stay tuned because I'm going to show you where I'm going today. That's where I was showing you when we were landing. We were going around that, where there's tennis courts and stuff. That's where I'm going to be working this week. So I'll show you in the next couple videos.